So a few years ago up here at the cabin, I pressed some weeds, some flowers, and so in cleaning I found them. So let's see what we have. They're pressed inside of paper towels, inside of an encyclopedia, and they are beautiful. So I am going to be using these for some upcoming digitals. And so this one is coming from the other side. Let's see, maybe if we try opening it this way. Ooh, look at, aren't those gorgeous? And you know, I like to use real, tangible things in my digitals and when I make things. So this is exciting. There we go. More purple. Purple is a very popular color. So I have a couple of picture frames at home that I have done with things that I have. So apparently purple was popular. That, whoop, gonna fly. So there we go. I just wanted to show you, and so I'll show you that hanging up on the wall in here is one that Tom's mom did from weeds and flowers from around the property here. So really fun, lots of things you can do with these. And let me know if you would like to see a digital kit made from these beautiful pressed flowers from Tehachapi. I found the other one that his mom had done years ago, years and years ago, and apparently it had fallen off the wall. I found it in a corner. And so one of the other things that's really fun that we use up here is the Max Field Guide to Southern California Wildflowers. So we'll be looking this up, and it looks like we have the Foothill Penstemon is the purple, but I haven't figured out what the other one. It could be that dwarf louserwort thing. But it has more yellow and orange in with it. Oh my gosh, you guys, the poppies were beautiful on the way up here. I will put a few pictures at the end of this video so that you can see. And if you see one on here that you think might be that the other flower that I pressed a couple years ago, let me know. Have an amazing day. Have a great weekend. We're having a good time. Bye. Bye-bye.